missionaries. Welcome to your first day. We're excited to have you. We're just going to ask you a few questions to get to know you. Probably the most important question, the one we'll start off with, is who is your favorite Shrek character and why? And we're going to pause there. Missionaries, bless you. Bless you, missionaries. This practice, what a blessing this practice was. What a blessing. And Brady, great training meeting. Missionaries, I just want to share an experience with you, two of them. This weekend I was, creating songs and taking pictures for someone's wedding by the temple, and I was just thinking, I love the atonement. I love Jesus Christ. Dixie, someday we're going to breathe in that sweet, celestial Nephi air. Missionaries, buenos dias, or hello, good morning. It is good to see you. Elders, we need to straighten up our ties and show up to class on time and make sure things are ironed and smooth. Missionaries, I love you. Have I mentioned I recently got engaged? And it is only 15 more days until I get married. Hey everyone, sorry I'm late to prep. So, Devin, what do you think we'll want to do? What do you want to do today? Missionaries, that practice was buck wild. Let me think what I want to do next. Oh, it was such a buck wild practice. I can't think of what to do next. Okay, missionaries, let's come back. Good practice. Yeah. Good practice. Yeah. And let's pause. Missionaries, great job. Snap. Bless you. This is great. This is great. This is great. Hope you all enjoyed.